call nyo.
Okay lang yun. Kumusta?
Okay naman po. Musta po?
Ito, mayroon na tayong result.
Ay, yes po. Ano pong result?
Anong pakiramdam mo?
Positive.
Yes, it is positive. Finally! Ang galing nyo. I'm telling you, salamat sa paniniwala. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we all take
Yes
a
po.
chance. Hindi ako ang nag-i-issue ng visa. But it's
Yes
the
po.
immigration. But nandun yung faith nyo eh. Nandun yung,
Yes
it is
po.
not an easy job, honestly. Kasi nga, tourist visa yung kapatid mo. Remember, we
Yes
applied
po.
for...
Yun na po yung parang
We applied for
Isa siya.
housekeeper. Kasi yun yung rule, we followed naman. Then after that na-refuse yung housekeeper. Tapos biglang we decided na mag-apply ng caregiver kasi kahit alam natin na nakasara yung rule. Sabi nga nila nakasara yung rule, 'di ba? Sinabi ko naman sa inyo. Pero we
Yes,
still
po.
took the chance. Then after that, we got the LMA approval as a home support worker ng kapatid mo at ikaw ang employer. Tapos we got refusal, remember?
Yes po.
And then, after that refusal, we applied for work permit. And here we are. It's approved. Hindi ko akalain. Alam mo, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, naku, may result na. I've been anticipating this result. And I know you
Yes po.
need somebody. And so,
Yes po.
again, it's passed. So, ngayon, congratulations!
Thank you po.
Ang galing nyo. I mean, it's meant to be.
Thank you din po.
It's meant to be, guys. And I'm really,
Yes,
really
thank
happy
you.
na ito yung nangyari.
Yes po.
You know, wala tayong ibang gagawin but to take a chance. Yun nga, lagi kong sinasabi, Roslyn.
Yes po.
In every situation sa immigration, we always take a chance. Walang assurance and mahirap yung trabaho namin kasi nga ako, I don't give assurance but I do my part. Yun lang ang alam ko. I am an immigration consultant. I'm licensed but I like to actually work in outside the box. Yun ang ginagawa ko when I accept a representation. So I want you to actually say something kung pupwede para ma-record natin at saka ma-inspire natin ang lahat ng tao out there.
Yes po. Yun lang po. Pag kung may gusto po tayo may gusto po tayo isang bagay, just keep on believing lang po. Have faith and trust the process. Lalo po dapat piliin niya yung taong lalapitan ninyo, yung talagang license siya, knowledgeable siya. Opo, kasi as in, hindi, may pinuntahan po ako na isang tao po.
Okay.
Then, inassess po niya kami.
Okay.
Tapos, kasi po, referral din po, friend referral. Tapos pumunta po kami, so inassess niya po kami, tiningnan niya kung ano po yung mga, ano ba yung qualifications.
Yeah.
Tapos, wala na po siyang sinabi na parang option ba?
Aha. Well, malakas kasi yung loob ko. The reason is that mawala man ako sa aking profession na to, although I follow pa rin naman yung rule, but mawala
Yes po.
man ako sa profession ko na to, I can manage eh. Honestly, hindi ako takot. I'm telling you.
Yes
Kasi
po.
nga, the
Yes
reason
po.
is that imagine you weigh yung makakagawa ako ng changes sa buhay ninyo and then yung ano ko din, sa akin, I'm okay. Actually, I'm anticipating sana to retire, honestly. But I cannot retire because of what I've been doing sa inyo. And may mga refusal, it's not perfect. Pero kayo,
Yes, po.
may mga approval. So that's amazing. I sent you
Yes,
yung
po.
yung approval. So what you're going to do right now is ask your
Yes, po.
brother, wag kayong na lang munang umuwi ng Pilipinas kasi pag Pilipinas, kailangan ng OEC, maraming cheche bureche. But
Yes, po.
sa aking mga process na kagaya ng kapatid mo, aka worker mo or foreign national mo or employee
Yes,
mo,
po.
pumunta kayo ng Mexico. In that way, it's your opportunity also na makita nyo yung place kasi you don't need visa. And kahapon lang may galing sa Mexico na kagaya ng kapatid mo. Okay?
Yes,
So,
po.
I'm so happy, Roslyn, and again, what can I say? It's God's grace para sa pamilya mo at saka sa kapatid mo, and I'm sure this will be the start for him kasi at the end of the day, caregiver siya, ibig sabihin may permanent residency pathway. So you know what?
Yes, po.
I think may reason si Lord bakit niya ni-refuse yung housekeeping LMIA. Kasi
I
nga,
think po.
yeah,
Yes,
kasi
po.
nga, you know, sometimes masakit kung nare-refuse. Pero right now, eto na, nakita na natin yung reason. Gusto ni Lord na maging PR agad-agad yung experience ng kapatid mo. And it's amazing.
Yes po. Yes po. Yun nga po yung sabi ko sa
I'm
mga kapatid,
speechless.
sa
Yeah.
kapatid ko po. Sabi ko sa kanya at saka sa hihipag ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung may isang bagay man tayo na gusto natin sa buhay, hindi binigay ni Lord, ibig sabihin nun, may mas magandang ibibigay para sa iyo.
And this is it. And then, you know what,
Yes
yung
po.
sabi ko palagi na, you know, there's always a reason in everything. Masakit man, pero
Yes
there's
po.
always a reason. And, sabi nga dun sa, I'm not a religious or anything, but sabi
Yes
sa
po,
Bible,
yes po.
kung ano yung may plano si Lord sa'yo, and it's for your own good. That's in Jeremiah
Yes po.
29:11 eh. So,
Yes po.
I'm so happy. I am really happy. Pakisabi na lang kay brother mo, and congratulations. If in case mayroon pa kayong ibang other clarification, I sent you already the approval. Please feel free to text me or email me pag di kita nasagot sa tawag.
Yes
Okay?
po. Yes po, Marilyn. Thank you po. Miss, nakitanong lang po ako. So, anytime po ba pwedeng mag-exit?
Anytime. What you do is go there kasi you don't need visa, then come back even after few hours, but syempre nagpamasahe ka na lang din, enjoy mo na yung sceneries, di ba? So
Opo.
siguro you can go also kasi nga nandiyan yung support mo sa kapatid mo eh. And again,
Yes po.
we know this is legitimate kasi kailangan mo yung kapatid mo. And God is good sa buhay mo, Roslyn.
Yes
Okay?
po. Yes po. I'm blessed po talaga. I'm blessed with
I'm glad.
every
Nakakaiyak. So, please celebrate.
Yes.
Go out, have some coffee, and
Yes, ma'am.
this is a milestone para sa pamilya nyo. Okay?
Thank you po, Miss Norilyn.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Talk
po.
to you
God
soon.
bless po.
God bless you
po.
too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There you go, everyone. It is a beautiful day today. May mga refusal, may mga approval. But this time, I wanted to actually inform everyone. Kapatid niya, yung employer, he came here as tourist visa. Tapos, ang una, of course, we have to follow. I introduced them kung paano yung housekeeping. We did the process ng LMIA. Na-refuse, then we did the work permit. It is amazing, magkapatid sila, pero it is a legitimate offer. Kasi nga, this person needs somebody. However, nandun yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, may mga refusal, pero hindi ibig sabihin yan final na. Mayroon at mayroon pa ring option. So don't give up. Ang masasabi ko sa inyo na mga nare-refuse, don't give up. But I always tell to everyone, save up money. Yung cash ninyo sa bangko, that is your power, that is your choice. Kasi hindi naman sinasabi ko na ako na lang lahat ang pwedeng gumawa nito. But what my point is, you will gonna have an option if you wanna hire an immigration lawyer or anyone who's actually who can actually have a better way of making that happen. You can always do that kasi you have money. Huwag kayong magtipid when it comes to immigration. I know sasabihin nyo na mahal. Mahal talaga ang immigration immigration consultants or immigration lawyer especially. But it's worth it. Yun nga sabi nga sa akin ni Roslyn, make sure na licensee ang kausap ninyo. It doesn't matter kung make sure na make sure na susuportahan pa rin kayo. Pero sa akin kasi, there are times that I let go of the process kasi kung minsan parang alam mo yung pakiramdam mo na I work. I have to put up my time and effort to analyze the situation or the case law. But of course, that time is billable. I am this is my job, this is my profession, it is always billable. Now, people think that I don't do the process, I don't spend time, but it is not. So let's just be fair. And this is exactly what happened to her. Na-refuse yung LMIA, nag-reapply kami ng LMIA, housekeeper to caregiver. Andito yung brother niya, nag-work siya dito. Hindi siya nag-work. No. Nandito yung brother niya, siya yung employer. Yung brother niya ang magiging and then imagine yung brother niya may pamilya sa Pilipinas, and imagine that approval will gonna be a caregiver program and my PR pathway. So that means when he get the opportunity to apply for PR, maisasama niya buong pamilya nila. So congratulations ulit, Roslyn. Thank you for allowing me to actually inspire people today. And again, every tourist visa holder, you have no other choice but to get an LMIA from an employer or from a legitimate employer especially. All the best, everyone.